Hello students. Now we are talking about our fourth chapter, that is a molecular basis of inheritance. In that we study about the discovery of DNA, then genetic material of DNA, and Griff's experiment. The Griff experiment, which is about the work to determine transforming principle. Or this is the determine transforming principle is about the three about the transforming character of the DNA. Then here in previous lecture we study about the Griffith experiment. In Griffith experiment we study about the R stain, we study about the S stain bacteria, then we study about the heat killed smooth stain bacteria and heat killed smooth stain bacteria plus R-type bacteria, and all those discussing about the when that Griffith experiment about the he insert that R stain bacteria inside the mice, then mice will be alive. In case of S strain bacteria, that is S strain bacteria or R strain bacteria. R strain bacteria is non-virulent bacteria. S strain bacteria is virulent bacteria. Then virulent means that it carry a disease causing element. Who? That is S strain bacteria. Right? Then how we call S strain bacteria as smooth, because on this S strain bacteria we found a polysaccharide layer having coating of polysaccharide layer. That's why we call it a smooth bacteria. R is rough ball bacteria because it doesn't contain a polysaccharide layer. This is virulent and this is non-virulent in nature. Then Griffith performing various experiments on mice. Then mice, when he inject R-type bacteria, mice is alive. Then he inject S-type bacteria, the mice is die, because this S-type bacteria carry a disease causing element, that is a pneumonia causing element. Then because this mice is die, he hit this S-strain bacteria and remove this polysaccharide layer, and again he inject that heat killed solution heat killed bacteria inside the mice, then mice is alive. And he surprised that this virulent nature is having, when we inject this virulent nature, this mice is alive. Then he take this heat killed mice, this heat killed bacteria, heat killed S type and this R type. He mix that and he inject in the body of mice. The mice is die. Okay. Up to that we study about why this mice is die. Because this S-type bacteria or S-strain bacteria having certain characters, carry certain characters, or he suppress the character or dominant his character on the R-type bacteria, and because of that this non-virulent nature of R bacteria is converted into virulent nature. Then Griffith told that there is something is carrying this information of S-strain bacteria because of that the mice is died. This is about the Griffith experiment, but he doesn't told about the nature, about the which character is transforming. He doesn't told about the this character transforming element. That's why there is another experiment here about the transpiration principle, that is Avery, McCarty and MacLeod experiment. In 1944, they separated protein, DNA, RNA from the cell. Okay, they mix all the compound one by one in R strain and S strain. You also call it R cell. We also call it as R cell or S cell or R strain and S strain. I am writing here because in book they told about the cell, and this is a confusing factor. That's why I told you there is a strain, right? Conclude that only, and they what Avery, McCarty and MacLeod experiment, they conclude that only DNA cause of transmission and not protein and RNA digesting enzyme. Okay, in that they conclude, what they conclude? They conclude that the DNA cause of transpiration and not the protein. In previous theory, we told about the they told about the protein is large in cell, protein having large quantity, the protein carrying a metabolic activity of inside the cell. But after certain experimentation on this transforming principle, that scientists make a conclude that the DNA is causing a transformation. Okay. Then what Avery, McCarty and MacLeod experiment about they are working on the R strain and heat kill bacteria. What they do, they subtract all the protein contained from it and get 99.8% pure form. From this solution, this R strain bacteria, R strain and heat kill S strain. In Griffith experiment, we told and we know the character of this R strain and heat of this character of this mixture. We can call this a mixture. That is, a nature is to die the mice, and that mixture they take. Who? The Avery, McCarty and MacLeod. They take and they subtract all the protein in the containing from it and get 99.8% pure form. Okay. Then what they used enzymes. Which type of enzymes? They use proteinase, RNase and DNase. What they do? They take a protein and in presence of proteinase they inject inside the body of mice is this solution. Understand it? This solution, and what they observe, that mice is die. Okay. Then in presence of RNA, this enzyme, they use the enzyme RNase, and here also there is a mouse is die. Then here in presence of DNA, in enzyme DNA, the inside the mouse, this mixture is injected and the mouse is alive. Here in case they did not affect on transformation, what this protein or enzyme proteinase and RNase, they did not affect on transformation, but in other case DNA caused transformation, provide that the transforming principle is DNA. Here the DNA causing element or disease causing element, transforming element, they are not affecting here, and mouse is alive, and here we found the DNA, the Avery McCarty and MacLeod, they found there is a DNA transforming this character, and that's why this mouse is die. Okay, but all biologists were not convinced here. Okay, this experiment, Avery McCarty and MacLeod experiment, they explain very good. They told a very nice experiment. They take a very nice experiment, but he did failure to convince biologists to that is DNA is a transforming material. Okay, this is about the Avery McCarty and MacLeod experiment. Then in this determining transforming principle, again one scientist and two scientists are they performing one experiment there, and they are also taking care about the DNA is a genetic material. Then the name of the scientist is they are scientists there, Hershey and Charles. Hershey and Charles. Chase, experiment. Hershey and Chase experiment. In 1952, they working with the viruses. Actually, Hershey and Chase, they are working with the viruses that infect bacteria, that is called as bacteriophage. What is called? Bacteriophage. Work with viruses that infect bacteria. That what is? Viruses infect to bacteria. That is known as bacteriophage. Okay, which are composed of DNA and protein. Okay, which are composed of DNA and protein. They use radioactive phosphorus. That is, they use radioactive phosphorus, that is a 32P, and they use radioactive phosphorus 32P in the medium for some viruses, and radioactive sulfur, and they take also radioactive sulfur, that is 35S. Okay, for some other, they grow some viruses on a medium that containing radioactive phosphorus, or Viruses grow in the presence of radioactive phosphorus contain radioactive DNA. That is labeled DNA, but not radioactive protein, because DNA contains phosphorus labeled, that is phosphorus, that is labeled DNA. But protein does not. Similarly, viruses grow on radioactive sulfur, contain radioactive protein but not radioactive DNA, because DNA does not contain sulfur. Okay, after that you understand very well, that is they take a radioactive phosphorus, then radioactive sulfur for their experimentation. Then radioactive phases were allowed to itself, that is inside the E. coli bacteria. They take bacteria, one kind of bacteria, that is E. coli, grow on the medium containing that is named P and S strain. We from the previous one we talking about the P phosphorus and sulfur. It is they simply so P and S medium. Yeah. Then inside when they are experimenting on this E. coli bacteria, certain kinds of questions they are arise on the mind of what is the genetic material of the phase or bacteriophage. Was the lipid or protein with S35 or labeled DNA with P32? All these questions they are arise in their mind. For that we having one diagram here. This is the viruses. The diagram also present in our books, right? But for your convenience, I draw here. This is the about the bacteriophages. Bacteriophage. Here. Here what I observed. Bacteriophage. Bacteriophage. Sulfur labeled protein capsule. Here. Sulfur labeled protein capsule. Here phosphorus labeled DNA core. Here is phosphorus labeled DNA core, right? Then they done a infection to whom? Infection to E. coli. E. coli bacteria. Infection to whom? Infection to E. coli bacteria. Here, infection. Right? It is an infection to E. coli. Here, infection is to E. coli bacteria. Here is the E. coli bacteria. Then they deposit here. Right? Here one diagram is got. Right? Here also. Right? This is infection. This causes infection. This is infection. Second point is blending. Then in the here infection is takes place. Okay. Then this inside the bacteriophage they inject their DNA material. Here also we inject their material. Right. Then and this is the bacteria, DNA of E. coli bacteria. Then after that blending process, what is the blending process? That is the removal of these DNA coating. This here I draw for you people. Here, this is the DNA of E. coli bacteria, and this is the DNA of this bacteriophage. Then and here like this layer involved. Blending process. I draw this diagram first, then I will explain for you. Okay, here also. Blending process. This is the DNA of bacteria. is the DNA of bacteriophage. Then here also we found here, this is the strain bacteria. Okay, then here also we found this kind of structure also here. This process is called as centrifugation. This process is also called as centrifugation, number 3. Okay. Then here we found no sulfur detection in cell. Here no sulfur detection here. No sulfur detection in cell plus sulfur detection in supination. Sulfur detection in centrifugation in phosphorus detection in cell. Detection in cell plus no phosphorus detection in sulfonate. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of Hershey and Chase experiment. Okay, then here we found there is infection. Then after the infection, there is a removal of this structure, and with the process of blending. With the blending process, there is this removal of this outer cell of this bacteriophage, and what we found? We found a simple infected E. coli bacteria there. Then after that, then there is a number of rapid replica is formed there, and from that they centrifuge that. They take inside that solution, that E. coli bacteria inside the tube, and they centrifuge that material, and after the centrifugation process, these bacteria they are on the they are found a bacteria palate is radioactive, where inside this phosphorus labeled or P32 they found a bacteria palate is radioactive, and they are in presence. That's why on the basis of this they found a DNA is radioactive. On the basis of this, Hershey and Chase told that there is a transfer of character from one generation to another generation, and that factor is not only protein. That factor is a DNA, and this is that experiment. That's why he take a radioactive sulfur, he take a radioactive phosphorus, and they blending it, they centrifuge it, and after that They got in P32 they got bacteriopallid is radioactive, and on the basis of that he told the DNA is present inside the DNA is the genetic material here. Okay, this is all about our three experiments, right? Okay, thank you.